All right, let's look at the homework 5.3, problem number 7. All right, so let's evaluate this limit using L'Hopital's rule. All right, so first I'm going to write it in a fractional form. So you have limit as x approaches 0. Then we have numerator would be an integral from 0 to x, 2t over square root of t cubed plus 16 with respect to t. And the denominator is x squared, right? So to make sure that we can apply L'Hopital's rule, we plug in 0. So you can see that the denominator approaches 0 as x approaches 0 because it's just going to be a 0 squared. And then here, the x is going to approach 0, so you have an integral from 0 to 0, so it's going to approach 0 as well. So here, this guy approaches 0. So since we have a 0 over 0, we can apply L'Hopital's rule. So applying L'Hopital's rule, we have limit as x approaches 0, right? And the derivative of x squared would be 2x, so we're going to put 2x. And then derivative of the numerator is using Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 1. We just remove the integral sign and then plug in x for t. So you have a 2x over square root of x cubed plus 16, right? So we can cancel out 2x on top and then 2x on the bottom, so you get 1 here. All right, so if you clean it up, you're going to get a limit as x approaches 0. And you have 1 on top, and then you have a square root of x cubed plus 16, right? Then x is going to 0, so you can see that the x cubed is going to disappear. Right, so what's left is 1 over square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4, so it's going to be 1 over 4. Right, let's type it in. So limit is 1/4. Right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.